Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your REDMI Pad 2. So first, what you guys can do is remove your screen protector or case if you have one, because it can cause a lot of interference with the touch and it can make the touch become less responsive. So if you have a case, then make sure that it doesn't cover, let me show you, the screen, but it would be that long. Then it can cause little unresponsiveness because there's something pressing on the screen. Now with a screen protector, it can be misaligned and it can also cause the issues either from this side or this side, so make sure to remove it and then check it out. Now the next one is, what you need to do is grab the microfiber cloth and clean the screen from any moisture or debris, because it can cause a lot of interference too. So let's just give it a few swipes. Now it should be very good. And then what we can do is restart the tablet. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So what we basically gotta do is hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until we see this little menu pop up. Now here we need to slide down to reboot and then wait for our tablet to reboot. So I'll see you guys then. So after the restart, what we can also try is to update our software. So go to settings. Here we need to go to about tablet and now click on the HyperOS here. It will check automatically if we have any updates available. I recommend you guys updating your tablet as soon as the update drops, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the touchscreen. So if this didn't work, then as a last resort we can factory reset our tablet. So go to about tablet again. Now scroll down and go to factory reset, but first click backup and restore, and here back up your files. It can be to mobile device, computer, or the Xiaomi cloud. So here you guys can choose what you prefer. Now go to factory reset, here click it once, enter your password if you have one, and then click it the second time. So that'll be it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.